Welcome to Act Notes Tutorials. My name is Professor Bert, and I am going to give you a quick tutorial on Commercial Solutions Opening, or what I call an CSO. What is a Commercial Solutions Opening? A Commercial Solutions Opening is a merit-based source selection strategy for the Department of Defense to acquire innovative commercial items, technologies, or services that directly fulfill requirements, close capability gaps, or provide potential technological advances. It's focused on businesses or institutions that have not traditionally done business with the U.S. government. CSOs are similar to broad agency announcements but allow for acquiring technology directly relevant to a specific program, unlike broad agency announcements which are restricted to only basic and applied research in that portion of development not related to a specific system or hardware program. The definition of a commercial solutions opening is a non-federal acquisition regulation-based solicitation authority for acquiring innovative and commercial solutions. What is the purpose of a commercial solutions opening? The purpose of a CSO is to reduce barriers of entry for non-traditional contractors to provide innovative commercial items, technologies, or services that directly fulfill requirements, close capability gaps, or provide potential technological advances. What are the benefits of a commercial solutions opening? The benefits of the CSO strategy include simpler contract terms, attract new companies, a streamlined application process requiring only minimal corporate and technical information, fast-track evaluation timelines for solution briefs, with notification made, in most cases, within 30 calendar days of topic closure, negotiable payment terms, capital is non-dilutive, all intellectual property, IP, rights are negotiable and the government does not plan to own any IP, direct feedback from operators, customers, and users within the DoD to help product teams develop and hone product design and functionality. Potential follow-on funding for promising technologies and sponsorship of user test cases. Can be used as either FAR or non-FAR based solicitation method. What are the limitations of a commercial solutions opening? The following are the main limitations of using a CSO. Can only be used on fixed price or fixed price incentive contracts if a FAR-based contracting method is used. Awards exceeding $100 million require approval from USD, A&S, or Military Service Acquisition Executive. The authority expires on September 30, 2022, hopefully this is extended. And finally, no competition requirement required. Thank you for watching this tutorial on Commercial Solutions Opening. For more information please visit the webpage. Congratulations of finishing this tutorial and thanks for visiting Act Notes.